In this video, I will walk you through on how you can create SMS application using Twilio API. So as you can see, this is a sample of it. So you can see that I just entered a phone number and I entered the message and I click on send and you see that it's sent. So let me bring up my phone. So as you can see that you see the message just entered. This is the text message I just entered that I sent from my web page, from the website. So to do this, you need an API from Twilio. Okay, so that's what we're going to do in this video. So let's get right into it. In order to get this done, what you need to do is to go open your browser and enter twilio.com. So as you can see, so you enter twilio.com, so you are greeted with this page. So on this page, there's a lot of things here. Okay, so you can read through the some of the write-ups here. Okay, so but I will just click on start for free. So on the start for free, it shows you a page where you can register. So of course, like I said, you can read through what they have there. So you see, you register with the website. So once you have registered, then of course you have an ID or have an account with them. So in my case, I already registered. So what I need to do is to log in. So I will log in. So click on the login. I'll click on login to access the system. So I've logged in now. Okay. So once I log in, you have this. Once you log in, you have this dashboard. Then you have some credit given to you. In my case, I have $13 that was given. Of course, it was more than this. I've used some. So then you are given an ID, so an account ID, a token, and a phone number. But if you don't have that, click on go to API keys. So here, click on that. So it takes you to this page. So on this page, so this is where you can create an API key if you are not automatically given. Then, but you need to, in order to test it, you need to create you need to register a phone number, so that you are verified. Basically, though it is a free version or a trial version, but you still need to register a phone number. So what you do, go click on phone number, then click on verified caller IDs, then enter a phone number, then you enter any friendly name. So in my case, I've already registered a number. Then of course, once I've done that, just click on add new caller ID, then fill the form here, select your country, then enter the number, then of course make sure that SMS is selected, then click on verify phone number. Once you have done that, then you are good to go. Then you go to your code editor. Now in this case, I'm using VS Code. So I already pre-written this code, the one that has to do with the interface. Okay, that is the web form now, where you have the form has action that goes to send SMS.php, because it's actually a PHP application. Okay, so the send SMS the PHP does not have anything for now. We are going to code it together. Then you have an input field, two input fields actually, one phone number, name phone number, the other one is a text message. Okay, then this is the CSS that does the that was on the look and feel of the web page. So as you can see, so this is the result. Then of course, if you want the code, I can always send it to you. Then now let's go to the send. Let's start the implementation. So what you need to do is to open a new terminal. So as you can see, so on the terminal here, you need to first install Twilio SDK. Okay, so you type compose require Twilio / SDK. That is compose require Twilio / SDK. So once you have done that, it will install the required libraries for you. So you can see that I have a vendor there, and I have other things like Composer and the rest there. You also have that, but in my case, I've already installed it. So all right, so now we'll now go to send SMS.php. So in this place, we'll write the various codes here. We bring in phone number and the text message, as you can see. So this is what is going to call when you click on the button from at the front end later. All right, so we have the phone number, and of course there are posts method from the form. So that's why I have this post here. So we now say require. So we're now linking to the library now. So now say require directory, then vendor. We are looking for auto load because that is where the vendor folder is where the auto load.php is. We use the Twilio REST client. Then of course we have the account SID, all token, and Twilio that we talked about earlier. Twilio number that we talked about earlier. So now we now create a variable called client. We now say equal to, initialize it with equal to new client account underscore SID. Then of course we also have the auth token that we just created in line 8 and line 9. Okay, so once you have done that, so we need to create a we need to have create an associative array. So as you can see, so you see you have this phone number, then we have from and body. So this is the associative array that I talked about. Okay, so that is phone number will have associative array of from and body. So the from will have the has to do with where the message is coming from, which is the Twilio number that you were given for free from Twilio. Then of course the body will now take the text message. So once that is done, so we now need to check if everything is okay. So we now say if message SID. So this simply means that if everything is okay, what we now do is that we now say SMS message sent successfully. That is, or whatever message you want to display to the user. So display anything you want to display, that is a success message. Then otherwise, we will now say SMS not sent. Okay, of course you can put things like try catch and all that. We'll do that in the next video when we are dealing with bulk SMS application. Okay, this is what we have so far. So as you can see, of course you can always make adjustments here and there, but look at them. Once it works for you, now begin to adjust it. So the account SID, auth token, and the Twilio number, I will enter the real one because of course these are not the real one. So I'll go back to the site now to copy the account ID, then of course the authentication token and all that. So once you have done that, save it, open the browser, then enter your phone number, then enter the message. So here, just click on send. As you can see that it is sent successfully. So of course with that is how it is done. So if you can look at, see my phone now, see that the message drops. All right, read time, then open it and it shows the complete message. So that is how it is done. I hope this helps you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.